Hello, these Mosquito electric racket are quite portable and useful to get rid of bugs and mosquitoes. But have you ever wondered how they work? So let's open this one up and have a closer look. It's fixed by a half dozen screws. So let's check it out. This particular model is a rechargeable one which has a outlet. We plug we plug it in our 240 220 volts outlet and it's get recharged. Maybe I need to change the screw head. Okay, now time to see the inner circuit. Okay, this is the rechargeable battery. Here we have PCB and it it provides the current to our mesh. I don't want to break it. Okay, they must have a screw underneath this. Yes. Okay, here we have a chargeable battery. The supply is through this portion. It's connected, and this battery is quite heavy. Then we have the circuit which powers up the mesh, and whenever any insect collide with it, when it's on, they get zapped. This portion they have sticked it to the board, so we won't be able to remove it without breaking. I can see a transformer. That's a transformer, and there is a capacitor here, and we have this one screw which can be removed, but this looks, I can see all the components, so it's fine. Sure. Okay, bye.